So I just came to walk and I saw this photographer. His name is Raya Durga Raghavendra. He has a page and he does bird photography. And look at his camera. How heavy is that?
The lens is about 2.5 kgs and this should be about half.
He must have a really good biceps just for holding that camera all the day. So I'll show you his photography. This is really good work. I mean, show me that. So that's a kingfisher right there. So it is sitting in that branch over there. And this is the shot he got.
That's not.
Show me. Wow. What a detail, no? It's crazy. Wow. That's insane. What's the lens?
This is 200 to 500.
200 to 500.
Nikon.
So what is this bird called?
Black drongo.
A lot of reflection here, huh? Wow.
It has a
Look
beak.
at its eyes. Oh, what's in its beak?
It's kill.
Oh.
That's a bee. Yeah, I think.
Oh, nice. Black drongo, is it?
Yeah.
Nice. Can I take one picture of that? I want to take a picture of that.
Pelican.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Let's see what I got. Okay. But I think I check this out. Oof.
Just zoom out.
This is what I got. Oh my god.
Wow. Nice.
That's a nice moment, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Nice. He just got one amazing shot. Can you show that? Oh wow. What a moment. See there. I think now we'll get one. Good one. Come on. Yeah. Let's see what you got.
I just hope. Wait a second.
Oh wow. That's a really good one. Wow. You can literally see the beak in, such clarity, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I can see the eyes. The phone is obviously not capturing it so well, but yeah.
That's why I'm bearing the heaviness of Nikon.
Yeah. But it's so good, like so sharp.
Yeah, it's.
Can you zoom in a little bit? Wow. Insane detail. Nice one, Raghavendra.
Thank you.
It's a really good one.